This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2024 Hit Parade Vintage Baseball Lite 5-box eBay break. February 18th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We have MB-collectibles and cards with the Padres, Rangers, Nationals, Rays, and the Blue Jays. BROZ-19 with the Diamondbacks. MENDO95380 with the Athletics and the Giants. We got CLT_sports with the Indians and the Pirates. TODHAPPE0 with the Astros and the Twins. KI14 with the Cardinals. Yost5159 with the Braves, Yankees, and the Phillies. Chris Raleigh with the Mariners. We got RR Liquidators_Lee with the Brewers. GVSU333 with the Dodgers. Juliana2439 with the White Sox and the Cubs. We got ZACCHEUS85 with the Royals. CURSA_76 with the Red Sox. Terry Houston77 with the Mets. EDFR_6 with the Reds. M Plimmer2 with the Angels. GEOHO_64 with the Tigers. And Big Jim 847 with the Orioles. That is your full lineup. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 2024 Vintage Baseball Lite Edition Series 1. This is box number 71 out of 300. It's going to be a fun break. Plastic coming off box number 1. 10 vintage hits per box. 10 vintage cards per box. Let's crack the seals here, guys. On box number 1. Here we go. All right. Box number 1 coming at you, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Make sure I get all the cards out of here. Okay. We have our empty box there on box number 1. All right, guys, here we go. We've got Mr. Phil Reagan, Tigers. The Tigers. Strike first. On the Phil Reagan for the Tigers, we have the Indians. Vicente Romo. Very nice hit there as well. Vicente Romo. Indians. How about in Elston Howard? There's your Yankees. Very nice hit for the Yankees. Love these vintage cards. Love these vintage cards. We got the White Sox here. 64 Rookie Stars White Sox. Bruce Howard. And Frank Kreutzer there. Very nice hit. 64 White Sox Rookie Stars. Very nice hit there. For the White Sox, we got Mr. Jim Lemon. The Washington Senators. How about that? Nice hit there. How about Charlie Neal for the Dodgers? Very nice Charlie Neal for the Dodgers. We have Mr. Carl Hubel. Mr. Carl Hubel there. Very nice hit there. Yankees, we have, I like that mini card there too. Randy Gumpert. Nice Randy Gumpert for the White Sox there. Gumpert. Very nice hit there. Mr. Herman Wiemeyer, Cincinnati. Very nice hit there. And A Billy Pierce for the White Sox. Very nice Billy Pierce for the White Sox. Very, very nice hit there as well. All right, guys. Box number 2. This is box number 4 out of 300 here on this one. Box number 2. Cracking the seals. All right, here we go. Box number 2. Get our cards out. Okay, got our empty box. All right, guys, box number 2, here we go. Mr. Bill Brutton for the Braves. Nice Bill Brutton there for the Braves. Very nice hit. Frank Bowling, Tigers. For your Mets, Al Weiss for the Mets. Very nice Al Weiss for the Mets there. Very, very nice. How about the Pirates? Pirates on the board. Very nice Billy Meyer for the Pirates. Your Pirates on the board. We got Mr. Ken Boyer for the Cardinals. Your Cardinals on the board. Very nice Ken Boyer. Very, very nice hit there. Yankees. Mr. Fred Talbot for the Yankees. Very nice Fred Talbot for your Yankees. Mr. Dick Bertel for the Cubbies. Cubs on the board. Very nice Dick Bertel for the Cubs. How about a Frank Robinson? Yeah, that's really nice. Very nice Frank Robinson there. Very nice card there. We also have Mr. Tommy John for the White Sox. Nice Tommy John for the White Sox. Very nice. Very nice Tommy John for the White Sox. And Mr. Tom Chaney, Pirates. Nice Tom Chaney for the Pirates. Very, very nice hit there as well. Box number 3, 268 out of 300. Cracking the seals. All right, here we go. Box number 3 coming at you. Make sure we get all of our hits here. There we go. All our cards out of there. All right, empty box there. Box number 3. All right, guys, here we go. Mr. Jim Gentile. Mr. Jim Gentile for the Athletics. We got Felix Mantilla for the Braves. Nice hit for the Braves there. Mr. Tom Brewer, Red Sox. Nice Tom Brewer for the Red Sox. Very, very nice hit there. How about Del Crandall? Also for the Braves. Very, very nice hit there for your Braves. Mr. Jim Owens, Astros on the board. Jim Owens for the Astros. Very nice hit. We got a Willie Jones for the Phillies. Very nice Willie Jones for your Phillies. Very nice hit there. How about the Mets? Mr. Warren Spahn. Warren Spahn for the Mets. Very nice hit. We got a Pedro Ramos, Indians. Nice Pedro for the Indians. Very, very nice. Your Dodgers. Eddie Mixis for the Dodgers. 51 series there. And how about the Indians? Again, Mr. Bud Daly. Nice Bud Daly for the Indians. All right, box number 4 coming at you guys. 80 out of 300. Box number 4. Cracking the seals. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Empty box. Box number 4. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 4. We got a Kurt Flood for the Cardinals. Your Cardinals on the board. Nice Kurt Flood there for the Cardinals. Mr. R.C. Stevens. Pirates. Pirates on the board. Nice R.C. Stevens there. We got a Carl Perillo. The Dodgers. Your Phillies. Jim Bunning for the Phillies. Very nice Jim Bunning for the Phillies. Mr. O'Connell. That is Danny O'Connell for the Braves. Very nice Danny O'Connell for your Braves. How about a Gordy Coleman? The Reds. Gordy Coleman for the Reds. Very nice Gordy Coleman there. Mr. Dick Wakefield. Very nice Dick Wakefield. Tigers. Sisty. The Braves. 52 series there too. Your Indians. Joe Askew. And we have Mr. Dennis Mankey for the Braves. All right, guys. Box number 5. Box number 43 out of 300. Here we go. Let's crack the seals. All right, guys, box number 5 here. Okay, we got our empty box. All right, guys, box number 5. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We got a Bob Johnson for the Orioles. Orioles on the board. Nice Bob Johnson there for the Orioles. A Johnny Clipstein, your Dodgers. Very nice Johnny Clipstein for the Dodgers. Orioles again here. Ken Rowe. Nice Ken Rowe for the Orioles. Very nice Ken Rowe. Cincinnati. Mr. Harry Perkowski for the Reds. Nice. We've got a Jake Wood for your Tigers. 61 rookie there. Jake Wood for the Tigers. For the Cincinnati, we have a Mr. Bell. How about that? A David Bell. A George Sisler. George Sisler. For your Giants, Aussie Virgil. Nice Aussie Virgil there for the Giants. Very nice Aussie Virgil. The Cubs, Adolfo Phillips. Nice Phillips there. Adolfo Phillips for your Cubbies. And the last, Darryl Knowles. Les Nerem for the Orioles. 64 rookie stars. Very, very nice. I am going to run back through all the cards, guys. We're going to go back through and do a quick recap here, guys. Darryl Knowles, Les Nerem for the Orioles, 64 rookie stars. We're going to run them back through here, guys. Quick recap. Adolfo Phillips for the Cubs. We got an Aussie Virgil for the Giants. George Sisler. Nice George Sisler there. Mr. David Bell, Cincinnati. We got a Jake Wood for the Tigers. Also for Cincinnati, we got a Hardy Perkowski. I'm sorry, Harry Perkowski. Orioles also Ken Rowe. Nice Ken Rowe there for the Orioles. We have a Johnny Clipstein for the Dodgers. Mr. Bob Johnson for the Orioles. How about the Braves? Dennis Mankey for the Braves. Your Indians, Joe Askew. We have a Sisty here, also for the Braves. Dick Wakefield Very nice Dick Wakefield there for your Tigers. We got a Gordy Coleman for the Reds. Mr. Danny O'Connell for the Braves. We got a Jim Bunning for the Phillies. Nice Jim Bunning there for the Phillies. But a Carl Furlow. Furlow for the Dodgers. R.C. Stevens for the Pirates. Very nice R.C. Stevens for the Pirates. We got a Kurt Flood for the Cardinals. There's your Cardinals. A nice Kurt Flood. We got a Bud Daly for the Indians. Dodgers. Eddie Mixis. Very nice. Pedro Ramos for the Indians. How about for the Mets? Mr. Warren Spahn. Nice Warren Spahn for the Mets. We got a Willie Jones for the Phillies. Jim Owens. Astros. Astros there. Nice Jim Owens for the Astros. Mr. Del Crandall. Del Crandall for the Braves. Tom Brewer for your Red Sox. Felix Mantilla for the Braves. The Athletics. Mr. Jim Gentile. Tom Chaney for your Pirates. The White Sox. Tommy John. Mr. Tommy John for the White Sox. Very nice. Frank Robinson. Another very nice hit there for Cincinnati. Nice Frank Robinson. Dick Bertel for the Cubs. How about the Yankees with the Fred Talbot there? Very nice. Ken Boyer for the Cardinals. The Pirates. The Pirates with a Billy Meyer. Very nice Billy Meyer for your Pirates. The Mets with an Al Weiss. Very nice for the Mets. Mr. Frank Bowling for the Tigers. Bill Brutton for the Braves. Billy Pierce, White Sox. Also, a Herman Waymeyer for Cincinnati. On the Waymeyer there. Randy Gumpert. Nice Randy Gumpert there for the White Sox. Got a Carl Hubble. Very nice Carl Hubble there. Very nice. New York there. Charlie Neal for the Dodgers. We had a Jim Lemon. Washington. How about the White Sox with a Bruce Howard, Frank Kreutzer, 64 rookie stars there. Also for your Yankees, Elston Howard. Very nice Elston Howard for the Yankees. Indians, Vicente Romo. And very first card of the break, Phil Reagan for the Tigers. Very nice. Some great vintage cards there. I want to thank everyone so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. Once again, we do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. We got a great break schedule all week long. Still have 2 more breaks coming up tonight as well. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Thank you so much for all your support. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there.